Good day and welcome back to the channel. So here we are again with the Skyjacker man lift. Called the guys that own it, asked if there was anything else they wanted done to it. They said they wanted an oil change, service the engine. So part 2 to the Skyjacker man lift. Let's get into it. All right, so let's go over this engine a little bit and then we'll jump into changing the oil. So got my catch pan. I've ordered my oil filter. It will be here within an hour. I pulled the air filter. Here's the air filter. I got a new one of those coming too. There's no point in trying to clean it. The rad looks fairly good. We are gonna blow it out, but I believe that drain plug is a 14 mil. So I'm just gonna guys get you set up here and then we're gonna get to it. Let's see. So the oil is nice and warm because we had it running before this, and yeah, let's get that drained out of there. And while that is draining, let's go over. So this is only the second time I've worked on this unit. I did not know the motor pulled out like this. I don't work on these. Pull this lever there, that lever there, slide the motor all the way out, and then you have easy access to the whole motor, which is actually really nice. Yeah, so we're gonna pop that oil filter off, and then once I get all the parts, we will finish her up. All right, I've already changed the air filter, oil filter. Let's put some oil in this bad boy. It's probably gonna be a slow run, as I think you can only fill this one Kubota engine through the valve cover. So little 3-cylinder gas Kubota. Not quite sure how much oil it's going to take. Jump over here and check the oil real quick. See if it's gotten down there or not. Well, it's about half, so I'm assuming it's going to take all of the 4-liter jug I got here. Almost 4 liters it takes. We're a little over full, but we also got to fill the fuel or the oil filter up. So let's get this out of the way. That out of the way. Put that back in. Well, pull the power button. Open this back up. Sink it. Quick little oil change, let it run. I'm gonna shut it off. Check the oil. We'll push the motor in and go from there. All right, so I had to add a little more oil to it. But let's cycle her one more time. Go. All right, let's push this motor back in and go from there. So I'm gonna close this, push her in, lock these back up. Now she's in there. Time to clean up my mess. Clean that up, take the safety out of there, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.